Austin 316 says, I just drank your beer, son. And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so. We got beer. We have Steve Austin's beer. Finally available here on the left coast. El Segundo Brewing Company. Steve Austin's Broken Skull American Lager. Steve Weiser. I'm really tempted to smash it against my head and just pour it down, but it's too cold and I don't want to waste beer. So, let's see if Steve Weiser has any. Goes down as easy as a 3-day weekend. Cheers out to those who are out there earning it. It does not mention alcohol content. Oh, it's hidden real small. 4.8%. No wonder he can chug them. It's only 4.8%. Roger, don't rub against the internet. It's very light. Very, very light in color. Another pour from me. Ah! Alliteration. It's not just for breakfast anymore. That's right. No, you don't get none. Anyway, sorry for that small Raja interruption. She is such a ham. If there's a camera, she's got to be on it. Or rubbing against it. Smells like a funkier, weedier version, or not weedier, but a upscale version of a lager. Great head, which I'd expect from a Steve Weiser. See all the effervescence? Very, very late in color. Very. One of the lightest beers I've seen. That's right. Let's give it a taste. Tastes foamy. Yeah. It's a light, easy drinking lager. You'll stomp a mud hole in a Budweiser. You'll lay the smack down on an MGD. And drop an elbow on pretty much any other big brand name lager. It's pretty good. Excuse my bad pour the first time. You know, you get old, you can't help these things. I'm impressed. I actually declare this to be the world champion of lagers. For the style, it's up there. Maybe 3 3/4 overall. If I'm just going by the style, it is the champ. It's a 5.0. Smack your mama, top of the line. On the overall beer scale, 3 3/4, maybe even a 4. I'd much rather suck back a couple of these than a case of Bud Lights, that's for sure. So, that's what we've got. And that's the bottom line. because the marquee said so. Cheers!